If you're looking to learn how to accept tips in Housecall Pro, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to set up and manage tips for your customers so you can make the most out of your service appointments. Stick with me till the end for a special bonus and extended free trial of this software that you won't want to miss. Housecall Pro is a powerful tool that helps businesses like yours manage appointments, payments, and customer relationships all in one place. And when it comes to accepting tips, Housecall Pro makes it easy to give your customers a seamless and professional experience. To get started, first you'll need to set up your payment processing. Head over to the Payments section in your Housecall Pro dashboard. If you haven't already connected your payment processor, you'll be prompted to do so. It's a simple process. You just need to connect your bank account and ensure your credit card processor is set up. Once that's done, you'll be able to accept payments and tips directly through Housecall Pro. Now let's focus on the tips. When you're creating an invoice for your customer, you'll see an option to add a tip. You can choose to make tipping optional or even set up suggested tip amounts for your clients. You have the flexibility to add a tip at the end of an appointment after the job is complete. This ensures a smooth transaction with no additional steps for the client. If you're a customer-facing service provider, Housecall Pro has a built-in feature that prompts clients to add a tip when they pay through the system. This is great because it allows your customers to leave a tip right from their phone or computer, either as a percentage or a custom amount. It's fast and simple, which means a higher chance of clients leaving tips because of the ease of use. Once a tip is added, it's reflected in your payment summary, and the amount goes straight into your bank account with the rest of the payment. This means no extra handling for you. Everything is processed securely and efficiently. For those of you who may be wondering, you can also customize how tipping works on your end. In the settings, you can toggle whether or not you want to include the option for tips and even set default tip suggestions like 10%, 15%, or 20%. This level of customization ensures you're offering the right options for your customers and the process feels personal to them. If you're working with multiple team members or contractors, Housecall Pro also allows you to share tips. So if you're the owner of the business, you can ensure tips are split as per your company's policy or even manually allocate tips if necessary. At the end of the day, accepting tips in Housecall Pro is incredibly straightforward. The system is intuitive and keeps your workflow smooth, which is exactly what you need when you're out there in the field. Plus, Housecall Pro offers excellent customer support if you need assistance at any point during setup or when managing payments. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that Housecall Pro is offering an exclusive extended free trial for viewers like you. You can start using the software for free from the link in the description below. This will give you full access to all the features you've seen here today, plus more, so you can dive deeper into Housecall Pro's capabilities without any commitment. Don't forget, if you're looking to improve your payment processes and start accepting tips easily, Housecall Pro is the way to go. With its intuitive interface, easy setup, and customizable options, you'll have everything you need to grow your business and maximize tips. Thanks for watching, and take advantage of the exclusive offer linked below for your extended free trial of Housecall Pro today.